Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the details of the REDLIRO under-desk treadmill versus the Elseluck walking pad. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we'll help you decide which treadmill fits your lifestyle best. Let's get started. When it comes to motor and noise, the REDLIRO boasts a quiet, high motor with a shock-absorb system, ensuring your workouts don't disturb your surroundings. Reviewers have highlighted its quiet operation and suitability for walking without making much noise. On the other hand, the Elseluck counters with its quiet anti-slip design, praised for its minimal noise and sturdy build, making it a close competitor in this category. Design and portability are key factors for under-desk treadmills. The REDLIRO shines with its 2-in-1 foldable design, allowing for easy storage and versatility. Users appreciate its portability and the ability to fold and store under beds or desks. Elseluck, however, impresses with its ultra-slim design, making it ideal for hiding under sofas or storing in small spaces. Reviewers love its compact size and ease of use, making it a strong contender. In terms of features and extras, the REDLIRO offers 12 preset programs and a multi-function display, providing a range of workout options and tracking capabilities. Users find these features helpful for varying their workouts and tracking progress. Elseluck keeps it simple with an LED display and remote control, focusing on ease of use and straightforward functionality. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and efficient design, making it a great choice for those who prefer a no-frills approach. Customer service is crucial for product satisfaction. Elseluck's 24-hour customer service is highly praised for its responsiveness and helpfulness, offering peace of mind to users. REDLIRO, while not specifically highlighted for its customer service and reviews, is noted for its reliability and quality, suggesting a product that stands on its own merits. Both treadmills offer support, but Elseluck's dedicated service stands out. Overall, reviews suggest that the REDLIRO under-desk treadmill is praised for its versatility, quiet operation, and range of features, making it a great value for those seeking a multifunctional workout option. The Elseluck walking pad, on the other hand, is lauded for its compact design, ease of use, and exceptional customer service, appealing to users looking for a straightforward, efficient treadmill. Both products have their strengths, catering to different preferences and needs. Thank you for watching our comparison of the REDLIRO under-desk treadmill and the Elseluck walking pad. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you'd prefer and why. Your feedback is important to us. For more information and to purchase, check out the product links in the description. See you in the next video.